Good morning students and welcome for your maths lecture. Students, in the previous lecture we have completed with the practice set 2, right? And today we are going to study further. So for that I want that everybody should open their maths textbook, maths notebook and pencils in your hand and pay attention to whatever I am explaining. Now students, today we are going to start with a new part of this chapter. Okay. Now here you will open your maths textbook, page number 4. Okay, page number 4 you will open. We have completed with the practice set 2. Now we are going to study further. Okay, so the subtopic is that to construct a triangle given two sides and the angle included by them. Now what we are going to study that how to construct a triangle. We are going to study how to construct a triangle where they have given two sides and the angle, where they have given the lengths of two sides and they have given one angle with them. Okay, see for example, we are supposed to construct triangle PQR such that length of PQ is equal to 5.5 centimeter, measure of angle P is equal to 50 degree and length of PR is equal to 5 centimeters. So both the sides length they have given and one angle they have given, and with the help of this information we are supposed to draw the triangle. Okay, now let us see how to draw a triangle with the help of this information. Now students, the very first thing we are supposed to do is that we are supposed to draw a rough figure. So I'll just draw a rough figure over here. A simple triangle I will draw. Okay, normal triangle I will draw with the rough figure, and then you will just name it, and with the help of the lens and the measurement of the angle which is given, you are supposed to draw it. Now in triangle PQR, so here it is given measure angle P, so you can't take P over here, so we'll take it here, P, Q and R. Okay, and measure angle P is given 50 degree, it's given 50 degree. PQ is given 5.5 centimeter, here side PQ is given 5.5 centimeter and PR is given 5 centimeter. PR is given 5 centimeter. So with this help we are going to construct a triangle. Okay, now let us construct it. Yes, now students, first we will draw the base. First we will draw this base, that is 5.5 centimeter. So we will start from here. This is your starting point and 5.5 here. Till here we are going to construct it. So I will draw a line till 5.5. Okay, and I will first name it as P and Q, that is 5.5 centimeter. Clear? The first thing. The next thing is that you have to draw the angle, that is of 50 degree. Now to draw the angle we are supposed to use what? We are supposed to use the protractor. Correct. So now students, we are supposed to use the protractor. So we will place the center point of the protractor on point P. Okay, on point P, and the line is passing from this side. So we will start from this side. So it's given 50 degree. So where is the 50 degree? Over here. 50 degree. So you will put a point over here of 50 degree. Clear? So now I have made a point and I'll just draw a line passing through from point P, passing through the 50 degree. Okay, I have drawn a line, but I can't extend the line. You have to cut the line somewhere, right? You have to cut the line somewhere to, आपको ये line इतनी कितना extend करना है वो आपको नहीं पता है. You have to get the point R. Okay, so point R के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? You need to get a point R. So how much centimeter is given this side? 5 centimeter. Now with the help of a divider, yes, now with the help of divider you will cut the line R. Okay, so first I will show you here. First you will take the measures, that is from starting till 5. See, you all got exactly 5 centimeter. Now you have to cut it from point P, because here you will get point R from P, because from PR is 5 centimeter, right? So from P you will cut it you will draw the arc. From P I have drawn the arc, okay, and then from there that arc I will join point Q. Okay, this I'll put an arrow, and this point I'll name it as G, because from till G I have extended, and this here I have got the point that is R. So 5.5 centimeter, angle P you all got of 50 degree, and PR is of 5 centimeter. Is that clear, students, how we are supposed to construct this triangle? Clear? Okay. So students, on this basis now we are going to solve practice set 3, which is there on page number 5. So I want that everybody should open in their textbook page number 5, practice set number 3. Now students, here practice set 3, first one they have given in triangle MAT, length of MA is equal to 5.2 centimeter, measure of angle A is equal to 80 degree, and length of AT is equal to 6 centimeter. Is that clear? Now they have given measure of angle A 80 degree, so you have to keep A at the base so you can get the angle. Clear? So first we'll draw the rough figure. The very first important thing is that you are supposed to draw the rough figure. Okay. This is your rough figure. I'll name it as MAT. Measure of angle A is 80 degree. So 80 degree. Length of MA is equal to 5.2 centimeter. Length of AT is 6 centimeter. Okay. अभी जो हम लोगों ने सॉल्व किया ना एग्जाम्पल, उसकी तरह ही है. It is exactly similar, only the measures are different. Now let us solve it. Okay, the very first step is that you have to draw the base of the triangle. It is given 6 centimeter. So on your scale, you will take a 6 centimeter measure. Okay, so this is from here till here, 6 centimeter. So I'll draw the line. Okay, and I'll name it first, that is A and T, that is of 6 centimeter. Clear? Then second step is that you have to draw the angle, that is 90 degrees. So with the help of the protractor you will draw the angle. You will place the center of the protractor at point A, and then you will draw, that is 80 degree. 80 degree is over here, 80 degree. So I'll just put a point over here. Okay, and then I'll draw a line. Okay, I have drawn the line, and I'll put an arrow, and I'll name it here as L, point L, because that is the angle point. Okay, now next third step is that you have to take the point M with the help of divider, that is 5.2 centimeter. So you have to measure it 5.2 centimeter. Okay, so I'll measure it. It is 5.2 centimeter we want. Yes, this is exactly 5.2 centimeter. Now we will cut it the line. As you all can see, I have got the ray, and then I will just join it. Okay, this point till point T. Clear, everybody? So now this point I have got, that is point M. Okay, I have got the triangle, right? So this is major angle 80 degree. This is M, 6 centimeter, and this length is of 5.2 centimeter. Clear? So you all understood how to construct the triangle? Okay. Now students, look at the second one. Second one, they have told that in triangle NTS, measure of angle T is equal to 40 degree, length of NT is equal to length of TS is equal to 5 centimeter. That means both the lengths, it is 5 centimeter. Is that clear? Now first thing is that you will draw the rough figure. Okay, we'll first draw the rough figure. Okay, and then you will name it. So I'll suppose name it as NTS. Okay, measure of angle T is 40 degree. 40 degree. NT is equal to 5 centimeter. So this is 5 centimeter and TS is also 5 centimeter. Clear? Now let us construct it. Okay, the very first thing that we'll do, that is we'll draw the base. Okay, here I'll take it. Base is how much? 5 centimeter. So first I'll draw the base. Okay, that is 5 centimeter. I'll name it as TS and that is 5 centimeter. Second step, you have to draw the angle. So for that you have to place it on point T, the center of the protractor on point T, and how much degree they have given? 40 degree. So here it is 40 degree. I have drawn the point. Now you will draw a line passing through point T. Clear? And I'll put an arrow and I'll name it this line as point A, that is the angle of the point. Okay, then is the next step is that you have to draw this 5 centimeter. For that you have to first measure with the help of the divider. This is exactly 5 centimeter. Now I'll just draw the arc. I'll place it on point T and then I've got the arc and then I will join that point. Clear? So you all got the triangle, and this point is known as T. This is 40 degree and this is also 5 centimeter. So I understood how to construct the triangle. Okay. Now students, this is your practice set number 3 on page number 5. In this I have explained your question number 1 and question number 2. Okay. Now question number 3 and question number 4 you are supposed to solve it on your homework, and these 2 questions are what? Homework. Is that clear everybody? So question number 3 and question number 4 is a homework for you all. These 2 questions you are supposed to solve it on your own. If you all are having any doubt, you all can ask me. Now students, we are going to study the next part, that is to construct a triangle given 2 angles and the included side. Now what they have told, now to construct a triangle they have given 2 angles and the included side. Means 2 angles are given and 1 side is given, and with that help you are going to construct the triangle. For example, see, construct triangle XYZ such that length of YX is equal to 6 centimeter. Measure of angle XZ ZXY is equal to 30 degree and measure of angle XYZ is equal to 100 degree. So both angles are given, measure of angles are given, and only 1 side is given. And with this help we are going to construct the triangle. Now let us see how to construct the triangle. Now students, the very first thing we will do, that is we will draw first a rough figure. Okay, I will draw a rough figure. For rough figure I will draw only the similar triangles only, not different triangles. Okay, they have given YX is equal to 6 centimeters. So X, Y. See students, here in this triangle, construct triangle XYZ such that length of YX. Now they have given the base. They have given this length is which is given, that is the base. So YX is equal to 6 centimeters. So first we will name it here as YX and the remaining is Z. So that Z you will write over here. Is that clear? Measure of angle ZXY, that is ZXY. This is how much? 30 degree. Measure of angle XYZ. XYZ. Y is in the center, so that is the angle. It is 100 degree. Clear? And y-axis कितना है 6 centimeter. So now with the help of this rough figure we will draw the construct the triangle. Okay. So very first thing is that we will draw the base. The base is of how much? 6 centimeter. So I'll draw it little bit here. Clear? Okay. So that is y and x, that is 6 centimeter. Okay. Then the first one is 100 degree. So I'll take the 100 degree, place the point over here in the center, and now you all can see 100 degree, that is more than 90 degree. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Here it is. So you'll place the point. Okay, and then you will draw a line. Okay, the next point is 30 degree. So you'll again place the center of the protractor over here, and then you will see where is the 30 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, it's here. So I have made the point, and then you will draw a line again. So I'll make the 2 arrows, and this point is known as Z. So here you got 100 degree. Okay, and here you got 30 degree. Clear? Have you all got this triangle, how to construct this triangle? Okay, this triangle you are supposed to construct with the help of protractor only. No need of using rounder. Clear? Now on this basis, students, we are going to solve the next practice set, that is practice set number 4. Okay, so everybody will open their page number 6 in their maths textbook. Practice set number 4. Now students, here practice set number 4, in that first one they have given in triangle SAT, length of AT is equal to 6.4 centimeter, measure of angle A is equal to 45 degree, and measure of angle T is equal to 105 degree. So very first thing is that we will draw the rough figure. Okay, we'll draw the rough figure here first. Okay, then we will name it as, that is length of AT is equal to 6.4 centimeter. Okay, measure angle A is equal to 45 degree. So this is 45 degree, and measure angle T is equal to 105 degree. Clear? So with this help we are going to construct the triangle. Now let us construct it. So first thing is that you have to draw the base, that is AT, that is 6.4 centimeter. So I'll take it here, 6.4 is here. Okay, I'll name it as AT 6.4 centimeter, right? Then first I'll draw this angle A, that is 45 degree. So I'll put the center of the protractor at point A, and I'll take it as 45 degree. So you will start from here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 40, and this is 5, that is 45 degree. So I'll make a point, and then I'll draw a line. Okay, and I'll name it as how much? 45 degree. Next angle is T, that is 105 degree. So again you will take the protractor, you will place it at point T. Now you will count it from this side. Okay, now you will count from this side. So from here it is 105 degree. So 100 is over here, 105 degree. So it's here, 105 degree it is. Here. Okay. So I have got the point. Now I'll just join it. Now students, now this point will extend now till here. Okay, and now what I have to do, now I'll extend this line also. Students, now I just erase that thing. What you are supposed to do is that it's 105, so it is always more than 90 degree. Okay, 105 means it is more than 90 degree. So it will be here, this 100, between this 100 and 110, it's here 105. So I'll place the point and then I will join it. Clear? And this is what 105 degree, and here this point is known as S. Is that clear, everybody, how you are supposed to construct this first one? Okay. Now students, here look at the third one. Now students, second one you will solve it on your own. I am explaining the third one because third one is little bit different. Okay, what they have told, in triangle EFG, length of EG is equal to 6 centimeter, major angle F is equal to 65 degree and major angle G is equal to 45 degree. So first we'll draw the rough figure, that is okay, this is the rough figure I am drawing now. They have given the length EG is equal to 6 centimeter. EG is equal to 6 centimeter. Measure of angle EG, so this is what? F. Okay, so measure of angle F is equal to 65. So here they have given the angle 65 degree and measure of angle G is given 45 degree, right? But now we have to find out this measure of angle E, because first we are supposed to find out this measure of angle E. If we don't get this angle, we are not able to construct the triangle, because this point we can't get unless we get this two measures. Is that clear? So first we are going to solve this, how to find out this measure of angle E. Now students, how we are supposed to find out the measure of angle E? That we are going to find out by using the angle sum property. You all remember the angle sum property? Angle sum property, the formula, that is all three angles is equal to all three angles, that is sum of all three angles is equal to sum of the total angle property. That is what is this? It is 180 degree. Yes, so addition of three angles is equal to 180 degree. So which are the three angles? That is by using angle sum property, by using angle sum property. This you have already studied last year, right? So that is angle F plus angle E plus angle G is equal to 180 degree, right? Angle F is given how much? It's 65 degree plus angle E plus angle G is 45 degree, that is 180 degree. Sorry, here it is therefore sign. Therefore 65 degree plus 45 degree, that is 110 degree plus angle E is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle E is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree, that is angle E is equal to 70 degree. So आपको एंगल E कितना मिला अभी? 70 degree. Okay, so you will write it over here, that is angle E is equal to 70 degree. Now with the help of, you all got the angle E by solving this. Now we will construct the triangle. Now for this, very first thing is that we will first draw the base, that is of 6 centimeter. Okay, that is E and G, that is of 6 centimeter. Okay, the first angle we are going to draw, that is of 70 degree. So here it is, we'll place the protractor and we will mark it as 70 degree. Over here it is and then we will, with the help of the scale, we will draw a line. Okay, and the second one is, here it is 45 degree. So again with the help of protractor you will draw 45 degree. So here it is 45 degree. Clear? So then with the help of again the scale, and here you got the intersecting point, that is F. So this is 70 degree, this is 45 degree, and angle F is given 65 degree. Clear everybody how you are supposed to solve this question number? Okay. Okay. Now students, in this practice set 4, I have explained your question number 1 and question number 3 I have explained. Question number 2 and question number 4 is what? Homework. Okay, these two questions you are supposed to solve it on your own. Now students, with this I'll end the today's lecture. So what is your homework for today? That you have to complete practice set 3 and practice set 4 in your maths notebook. Whatever I have explained, that also you have to solve it, and the remaining homework part also you are supposed to solve it on your own. If you all are having any doubts, you all can ask me. Is that clear? This is the homework part for you all. The next lecture we will study the next part of the chapter. So with this I'll end today's lecture. Thank you.